No, I
No,
know.
not too hard, not too hard.
Look at it. I like this. Look, it goes faster when you do that. Hamid,
I know.
Wait, when you do what?
when you do this, it
I
goes
know.
faster.
Yeah, like because
It
like
keeps going.
the gravity levels change. I guess. I
Look.
don't know.
See? It keeps going.
Here, watch this.
Look, see?
Have you heard it? Like, have you heard it while it's spinning? Have you heard
Yes, I just
it?
did.
Did you hear it while it's spinning, always?
Look.
Here, show him while it's spinning.
Yo, playing.
Let me do it now. Let me do it again. Let me do it again. Let me do it again.
But I shouldn't have heard that much. Does it hurt that much? Does it hurt that much?
No, look.
Yeah, let
See,
me
watch
try
this.
it.
Watch this.
Oh,
I like
I
rubs
heard-
against
Still
my
go.
ear.
I
It's
heard-
still going.
I
Look,
heard
like
it.
this.
dude.
Ow!
Here,
That
let
one
me try.
hurt.
Let me try. Ready?
That one
Alright,
hurt.
let me see.
See if it.
Oh, hang on. I need to do it this way. Like this. What are you doing?
It sounds like a
Come here.
razor. It sounds
know.
like a razor.
Come here. Come here.
Why are you scared, dude? It doesn't even hurt.
Yes, it does.
What?
I can't.
Dude,
It's
shit, okay,
hard.
are
It's
you kidding me?
hard. It's hard.
You're such a pussy.
Alright, go.
It
It
hurt.
didn't even hurt. Actually, it didn't hurt.
Boy.
No, it doesn't even hurt.
Okay.
So why are you being a little?
Yeah, I don't know why. It's not hurting. No, when you do that, it doesn't hurt.
Okay. Let me see. Watch this.
That doesn't even hurt either. It's
Okay.
not hurting me.
Dude,
Ah!
Sorry.
You let
Sorry,
it on my
bro.
toe.
Sorry. Okay, watch this.
No, that didn't hurt either.
Why are you jumping?
Because like the impact, like you don't know when it's coming. That's what scares the crap out of me. Do it to
Alright.
both my ears at the same time. It won't hurt. No, it's not hurting. Look, do it again. Do it again.
that one sounded like it hurt.
That didn't hurt. That
Oh.
was my glasses.
That
I hit
was
my
his glasses. That's why.
Come on. That one cut me off.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, Mama. Just-
Oh, that hurt. That grazed me. You take a hit.
Hold this.
I already took a hit.
Yeah, but not on camera.
I
No,
did.
Let me do it to you. What are you trying to? Let me.
Ah!
Oh, you idiot! What just
Not my
happened?
nose. Don't touch my nose.
What, you want to battle?
Don't touch
here,
my
we can do
nose.
that square thing. But
Don't
only
touch my
fix-
nose.
We'll do that thing. What's up? No grabbing. No, one hand.
What are we doing?
Basically, hit each other.
Like, what are we hitting? What are you talking about?
Our faces.
I could just throw this at you.
No, don't throw it. Don't throw it. Just keep it in your hand.
Oh, that's dangerous, bro.
Hey,
Dude, that's dangerous. You're trying to hit him in his eye always. That's
I
gonna
know
hurt.
he really is trying to hit me in my eye.
Oh.
Wait. Where are you running?
Why'd you run? You ran to mess up the whole thing.
Where are you running?
We.
Ow! My knee! Ow!
What happened to his knee?
Ow!
Collided knees.
Ah!
Ois, I'm gonna try that. Ois, record. Record, Ois.
Ah! Bitch!
Oh, he's coming. Don't hide behind me. Here, record. Watch this.
The two. They used to call us David and Goliath. Well, chill out. We haven't started yet. I'm like, what square am I? Why would you do that? I'm not even starting yet. Ooh.
You're just hitting me. What the hell are you doing?
Yeah, you're not supposed to do that.
You just hit me with it. You just
Are you stupid?
You're dumb, dude.
De pa kasi ukra.
Get in your square right
De
now.
pa kasi ukra, yeah.
Wait.
Oh, yeah.
This is my
That's
square.
That's your square?
You have to stay in each other's square.
Right. Say three. Say on three. I'm waiting until he's
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
I hit myself.
What are you doing?
Ready? Wait. 1, 2, 3. Spin.
Oh my, you're so dumb.
You loser. What's up?
Oh yeah, it's 2 now.
Yeah, let's see if I can spin faster than. Oh! Ah, dude, those things. Ah! Ow! I'm sorry. Ow, dude, stop! Those things are like green needles when you point at them like that. Bet I won't put my fist to it. Spin as fast as you can, bet I won't put my fist to it. Ooh.
Ooh, that sounded like it hurt.
He said, ooh. Ow, that hurt, dude.
Look over here. Look. Look.
Just look over there.
Look.
Ah! Dude, those hurt. Let me try it to you.
No,
Why?
because I'm not stupid like you.
So you're scared.
I'm not scared. You're stupid.
Ooh!
Let's do it closer to the thing.
Bro, it
To the camera.
hurts.
Go to the camera
It
right here. Come
hurts.
over, Luis. Come here, Luis.
It hurts.
Point right here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Watch this.
Oh!
Ooh, that sounds like that hurts. Let me see your knuckles. Come here.
You're red.
His knuckles are red.
Again. My adrenaline is pumping. Let's go again. Come on, do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
It's like being electrocuted. Clear.
Right here.
Oh my god. Oh my
Oh
god,
my
dude.
God.
It hurts your bones so
Are you
bad.
getting all this?
Yeah, let me try
It
it.
hurts your bones
Let
so
me try
bad.
it. Let me try it.
Let
me try
Let him try it. Let him try it. Hey, get close. So get the knuckles like this.
Come on, what
Come
are you
over
doing?
Alright. Okay.
Dude, it hurts. And you got bony knuckles too.
Hold up.
Ready?
Doesn't even hurt that bad.
Are you serious? Yeah,
it's
you'll watch.
okay
Just
when
watch.
you
Keep going. Yeah.
That doesn't even hurt that bad.
Because he thinks he's on
Yeah.
camera, so he's like, oh, look, they don't hurt.
That didn't hurt. If you did it again on that part, that would have hurt because it's kind of hurting now. Okay, that one hurt.
Yeah, that one hurt, didn't it? That one hurt,
Let's
didn't
see.
it?
Come on, keep going.
Yeah, keep going.
going.
I did it like 10 times. 5.
Ah!
Oh yeah.
See,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, when I go like this,
Like it's
they go
cutting me.
faster.
No, it's cutting you. Yeah, I see. It hurts. Don't ever underestimate it.
Ow!
Yeah. And he was telling me. I didn't get that. I was focusing on your knuckles.
Wait. Ah.
Dude.
It hurts so bad.
Bam!
You need to do it.
I ain't doing this.
Why?
Because I ain't
And look
stupid.
how scared he is.
Y'all
dude.
stupid. Manga Q shotgun.
He said manga
Come here.
kill shotgun gun. I'm dead. Ooh.
You know why it hurts? Because I'm moving it this way, so it's coming at a force.
Yeah.
If I move it this way, it won't hurt as much. You see, it goes faster.
Yeah.
See that? You see that? So going this way.
Yeah, that one hurt.
Okay, hang on.
Katum!
Oh yeah. Yeah. Hurts.
Keep coming. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. I will do this as many times as I can.
Yeah. Hey, look what he's doing. He's got his hands like this, so he knows I'm gonna hit these, so he moves them this way. You know that.
You're that scared?
That's why he thinks what? Just hold him right there. Just hold him right there.
Yeah, now it hurts. Now it hurts.
What's up?
Now it's hurting.
I've been doing that though.
Look at him.
That does kind of hurt.
Hey!
Ooh.
I just learned this new trick.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Bro.
Dude, that is insane. What part of did you just hurt? What happened?
This right here. It hurt my my nail. Like the edge of the nail right here.
Ah, dude.
Yo,
Look
bitch.
how ugly you are. Look how ugly you are. Yeah, take the hit. Yeah, stop procrastinating. Come on, take your hit. Take it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it.
You try it.
I'm good.
No, you try
I'm
it.
good.
Here, wait, record
Bam.
this and do it.
I'm
Record
good.
this. Record this.
Let me have the two. Let me have
I'm
them.
good.
You're telling us we took the hits, but you can't even just take one? Come on, Yara. You kidding me?